how to lock the YouTube app on your iPhone. Well, that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. It helps out a lot. And with that being said, let me show you how it's done. So there is a neat little trick with which you can lock the YouTube app or any other app for that matter. And this is how you can do it. All you have to do is make sure you go into settings and enable screen time. Once you've enabled screen time, you can go ahead and scroll down where this option is visible, which is called use screen time passcode. You will have to make sure that this is set up beforehand, because if there is no passcode set up, it will be not very useful for you, and this is the only way you can sort of lock the app. So once you do this and set up the passcode, you can go ahead and click on app limits, and once you're here, you can go ahead and click on add limit. And as you can see, it is asking for the passcode. Once again, you will have to type it in, and once you're here, you can go ahead and search for the app that you want to lock. In our case, it is going to be YouTube, and once I click on it, go ahead and click on add and then next, and you can see the amount of time that you want the app to get logged. So if you want to instantly log the app, you can set the minimum limit, which is 1 minute, and once you do that, you can just click on add, and that's it. YouTube is now limited to 1 minute per day, and anything more than that, you will have to unlock the app manually. So as you can see, YouTube is now locked as the limit has crossed, and you can see it says time limit. You've reached your limit on YouTube, and you can unlock this by clicking on ask for more time, and once you can see here, enter screen time passcode. So you will have to press in the passcode, and once you do that, you can approve the app for 15 minutes, for an hour, or for the whole day. So it works pretty flawlessly in my opinion, and once you click on approve all day, the app will now get unlocked, and yeah, you can use it as you want. And for anyone to tamper with this, they will have to go into settings and change the passcode, which is an extra layer of security in my opinion. So yeah, it is pretty neat and quirky. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.